So welcome back. This is Parth, and we solved the machine, which is a Funbox under construction. About the release is a Funbox under construction machine name, which is a machine name in 19 July 2021 machine name. And here is the download file, which is OVF file is here, and you can. Here is the description. As always, it's a very easy box for beginners. This is works better in a virtual box, so we are the machine into the virtual box. So here you can see virtual box is running and Funbox is running. So go to our machine, which is a kalilinux machine. So here is the Funbox under construction machine, secure 7 by. And first of all, you see the video and do not subscribe to my channel. So please subscribe to the channel and get more cybersecurity videos so like this. And there are the many informative videos in my channel which you can see in my channel. And I uploaded regularly video which you can watch and gain your skills and up your skills. So our machine first part is reconnaissance. So we reconnaissance the machine, which is the name of the machine is Funbox under construction, and here is the IP address is 107 is a vulnerable IP address, and our kalilinux IP address is 105. So now we for the recon we use the nmap here. You can see here I use the SCSV and PN port number, which is trying to getting all the like information about the machine. So here you can see 22 port is open, which is a port SSH is open. So next is a 25 port is open, which is a SMTP port, and next port 80, which is a HTTP. 10 is a POP3, and 143 for IMAP, which is for use for the mail transfer protocol, which is likely not a vulnerable. So here is the port SSH and port 80 is here. So we go to the web browser and enumerations of the port number 80. So type the IP address here 192.168.0.104. So here is not our IP address is 104. Here is our IP address is 107. So trying to get the some web enumerations here. So you can see here some websites are here 365, 01 hours, 01 minutes, and 55. Okay. Our site is launching soon. So here is not our launching site. So go to the about services here. Here scrolling more and more here. Here is designed by Style Shout and copyright is expired. You can see here. So this is might be vulnerable in the old machine, which is the vulnerable machines are old machines are must be vulnerable. You can like Windows 7 is vulnerable and Windows 10 is not in the services, so might be not vulnerable. And now we have used the Windows 11 here, but I have used only Windows 10. So here some information is here. You can type the email address here and subscribe here. hello.kronos.com here. So we're trying to find the subdirectories here. Copy this IP address and go to the terminal and opening new tab here. Okay, so okay, directory booster running on this IP address, which we find that finding the directories here. So hit enter, and here finding the directories here. Here you can see catalog directories here. Okay, this catalog is might be a vulnerable. So copy this link, paste it over here. Paste it here. Here is the unable to connect the database server. So these links might be not working here properly. Go to the downloads here, copy these links and go here, hit enter, go to the download. So here is not found. So next we have to trying install dot catalog install. Copy these links, go here, opening here. Oh wow, new page is open, which is OS Commerce. So welcome to OS Commerce Online Merchant, and here is the version's name is here. So copy this first here, copy this and paste into our notepad, which is might be a useful uh, informations we copy and paste into the notepad. So trying to finding the variable here, which is the OS Commerce. So trying to go to the search, paste it here and find the something here in the web enumeration. So here you can see exploit.db is here. So what is exploit.db? Exploit.db provide the payload of the previous and past vulnerabilities, which is useful for your enumerations process, and might be like you can download here payload, download the exploit, and here you can see .py file is the Python payload. So go to the terminal here and Control Z. Doesn't need any more here. So we're trying to the cd downloads here, ls here, and we have the any Python file here. We download the Python file, which is a 44374. So go to the Python 3. Don't run the anything is here. We first check it the code, which is used for the, you can see here, which is payloads are, this is where your PHP payload is here. So trying to must be here is the local host. You can paste your vulnerable IP address here, and only paste the vulnerable IP address, which is helps to finding here some finding here some. Okay, so go to the section which is here. Okay, so here is a Pluma. Go to the Pluma and 44, which is a payload over. So opening this Python file and edit this Python file. Okay, big here, and here is the localhost. So we type the IP address 192.168.0.10.7 is our IP address. So copy this and paste it into the localhost here. Paste, and there you can see here there is a payload is the system ls here. So here we trying to our shell executions payload, which is so here you can see here is a commerce which we cannot only catalog, which is uploaded here. So remove this OS commerce here from the here, and only catalogs trying to be here. So remove this all here and save it and close this here, and again running this payload, sorry, again this running this payload with a Python 3 and successfully launch the exploits. Open the following URL, which is the this is the URL. Copy the link and go here, open the link, and configure.php is running, and we have the shell. You see it here, we have the shell. So we're trying to woo mi here, and we have the not a rooted. Okay, so we have not any type of so trying to next we have to do, which is privilege escalations, as our here exploit is done. So now we have the privilege escalation step, which is go to the privilege escalation step is here. We're finding the file which is a ps4 ls here, and we have here the file which is okay. Here we have the file pspy64, which is helps to finding here. So here we're trying to the python 3. Python 3 here dash server is running on the port 444. Go here and cd only var ls here. Here is the files. So we're trying to the wget getting the file, which is http here 192.168.0.105, which is port number is 444, and file is the psp4py64. Hit enter, and permission denied. Here you can see here connected request okay. pspy4 permission denied, cannot write to pspy success. So we cannot getting this file in this directory. So here we go to the cdtmp directory and trying again this file here, and we have the file. And as here we have the pspy64 file, and we're trying to chmod and execution permission, which is pspy64 here. Enter. Okay, so execute the file, and this file is running some code here and finding some vulnerabilities in this machine. Okay, so here you can see finding the vulnerabilities into here. Okay, can you see this? Here is the bean.sh example.sh here. You can see this. So we're trying to go this directory here, which is cron.sh here. Copy this and complete the payload, and next we have to find the here what are you can see here user share docs examples cron.sh again and again running. Taking so much time here. Okay, trying again. Then this year we finding and trying to relaunch the websites here, which is okay. Go to the directory here. Open the link and we have the shell. Okay, so we have the shell cd/tmp directory. Go to the tmp directory and we have the here crons.sh is might be a vulnerable file. So we're trying to get this file and opening this file. So here you can see Kronos is a simple file which have the parameters. So here is the parameters. So copy these parameters and likely must be a base 64. So trying to convert the base 64 and must be a 64 and dash d and to echo. Hit enter and you can see here dash u is a root and dash password is a rf. Here is some password must be a root password. So we're trying to su root here. Okay, to be double comma slash. And we have the su password, which is we have the su password is the password and hit enter. And now we are rooted cd/root here, ls here, and here is the cat root.txt here. Enter. Funbox under constructions. You did it. I look forward to see this in the Twitter. Okay. So we have to complete the machine, which is a Funbox under construction. So there is a vulnerability which is a OS commerce vulnerability. Here you can see OS commerce vulnerability, which the finding the vulnerability and exploit this vulnerability. So thanks for watching this video. Like and subscribe. Please subscribe my channel for getting new video of cybersecurity, VulnHub walkthrough and other detailed video of other like we have the many topics covered in my YouTube channel. So thanks for watching this video.